News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in National Institute of Animal Biotechnology, Sahitya Akademi, Indian Sign Language Research and Training Centre, CSIR, Central Drug Research Institute, Lucknow, Institute of Home Economics, University of Delhi, Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, Thiruvananthapuram, Central Fertilizer Quality Control and Training Institute, Faridabad, and National Sugar Institute, Kanpur. National Institute of Animal Biotechnology, an autonomous institute under the aegis of Department of Biotechnology, Government of India, is aimed to harness novel and emerging biotechnologies and create knowledge in the cutting-edge areas for improving animal health and productivity. The institute is looking for dedicated and committed scientists who believe in institution building and have a passion for academic excellence and quality research for filling the following vacant positions: 1 post of scientist G, 1 post of scientist F, and 1 post of scientist B. Please visit the website www.niab.org.in for essential qualifications, other terms and conditions, and online application form details. Last date for submitting online applications is 5th February 2021, 5 p.m. Sahitya Akademi, an autonomous organization under the Ministry of Culture, Government of India and fully funded by it, invites applications for 1 post of personal assistant to secretary on direct recruitment. The incumbent selected is liable to be transferred to any of the offices of the Sahitya Akademi located in India. Applications received through email or without required enclosures will not be accepted. Those working in central or state government, autonomous organizations or renowned educational institutions may apply through proper channel. The candidates registered under National Career Services NCS portal and fulfilling the eligibility conditions may visit Akademi's website and follow the application procedure as stated. Application in the prescribed format as given on Akademi's website www.sahityaakademi.gov.in along with the necessary documents should reach the concerned authority within 30 days' time from the date of publication of this advertisement. Indian Sign Language Research and Training Centre ISLRTC is an autonomous body under the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. The centre invites applications from eligible candidates for filling up 1 post of Assistant Professor, Sign Linguistics on direct recruitment. Details of eligibility condition, requisite qualifications, experience and application form for the above post is given on the website www.islrtc.nic.in. The application form can be downloaded from the website and sent to the concerned authority along with all relevant documents on or before 12th January 2021. Application received after the closing date or without documents or otherwise incomplete in any respect or sent by email will not be considered under any circumstances. CSIR Central Drug Research Institute, Lucknow is a constituent laboratory under Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, New Delhi. It is a unique R&D institution in the country with state-of-the-art infrastructure for fundamental chemical and biomedical research-driven new drug discovery and development. The institute is richly contributing to the advancement of understanding of disease biology in the areas of national priorities and set-off revolution of Indian pharma sector over the past 70 years. The institute invites applications from suitably qualified, dynamic, result-oriented and dedicated Indian candidates for the following vacant posts of technical and support staff on direct recruitment basis. 2 posts of Senior Technical Officer 1, Total 42 posts and 2 backlog posts of Technical Officer and post of Technical Assistant. 11 posts of Technician 1, Support Staff. For detailed advertisement and filling up online application form, please visit the website cdri.res.in and access link Technical and Support Staff Recruitment 2020. Last date for registration and submission of online application is 5th February 2021, Friday 11:59 p.m. Last date of receipt of physical copy of application at CDRI is 22nd February 2021, Monday 5:30 p.m. Applications are invited on plain paper from degree or diploma holders in civil engineering, retired preferred, for appointment on contract basis for supervision of the construction of additional block and repairs and renovation works being carried out at the Institute of Home Economics, University of Delhi. Shortlisted candidates shall be informed and called for an interview on a later date. Last date for receiving applications along with the necessary documents is within 21 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, Thiruvananthapuram, invites applications from eligible Indian nationals for one post of registrar on deputation or contract basis. Last date of submission of application is 15th February 2021. For further details on qualification, experience and submitting online application, please log on to www.iisertvm.ac.in/openings. Applications are invited from eligible and suitable officials for filling up one post of Assistant Director in Central Fertilizer Quality Control and Training Institute, Faridabad, a subordinate office under the administrative control of Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare on deputation, including short-term contract basis. Details of the post and eligibility conditions are available on Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare website www.agricoop.nic.in. Applications of willing and eligible officers and who can be spared immediately in the event of selection may be sent to the concerned authority within a period of 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. Applications are invited from eligible officers for filling up one vacant post of Professor Agriculture Chemistry at National Sugar Institute, Kanpur, a subordinate office in the Department of Food and Public Distribution, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution by composite method, promotion or deputation, including short-term contract. Details of the post, eligibility conditions, etc. may be accessed from the department's website www.dfpd.nic.in. Applications of suitable and eligible officers and who can be spared immediately in the event of selection may be sent to the concerned authority within a period of 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. Unemployed and private candidates are not eligible, therefore, they need not apply. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.